I think my favorite part of this recipe is eating all of this delicious boozy fruit. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. It's stone fruit season, so we need to take advantage of this glorious fruit as much as possible. So today we're going to take some of this delicious stone fruit and some tasty wine, bring them together for a super refreshing, super delicious stone fruit sangria. If you've never had sangria, it's a Spanish punch traditionally made with red wine and whatever fruit you got lying around, like our summer produce. It's a fantastic pitcher drink to share with friends on a hot summer evening. It's super easy to make and I think you're gonna love it. Let's do it. First, we're starting with slicing up our stone fruit. We got plums and some apricots. And I had a peach earlier, but the inside of it was a little funky, so we skipped that guy. And we're using 1.5 pounds of whatever stone fruit you want to use. So go for your favorites, try something different, whatever you want to use. It's all good. All right, gorgeous. All right, this is so pretty and it's going to make our sangria gorgeous as well. So we've got all of our fruit. Did I say this? 1.5 pounds or so? I think I did, but just a reminder. If you want to throw more in or less in, it's all good. And right into our pitcher it goes, all of it. Throw it all in there. And your fruit can be like a little bit on the overripe side too. This is a great recipe for fruit that's a little mushy. It's all good. And like I said, this couldn't be easier. We're just gonna throw in some wine. 1 bottle, white wine. You could use red too. It's all good. Yes. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of orange liqueur. I'm just gonna get a little workout in over here. And 1/4 cup of simple syrup too. And if you want this to be less sweet, don't add in the simple syrup. It's all good. Then last, to top it off, a little lime juice, a little citrus action. All right, this is gonna be so great. Like I said, super easy, right? But here's the thing, we need a little bit of patience. Could you drink this in 2 hours? Sure. Is it better if it sits overnight? Absolutely. So let's pop this baby into the fridge. So I made this sangria yesterday and it looks so pretty and I'm so excited to take a sip. So let's go ahead and pour myself a nice big glass. I am so ready to dive in, but before I do, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a new friend, check out some of my favorite recipes, which you can find right here. Go do it. All right. Oh my God. It's so delightful. It's super refreshing. I love all the fruit in this. It's so, so lovely. You should make some right now.